So let's start with today's lecture. So we will start a German language with alphabets. So what are alphabets? Any idea?
A to
Like
Z.
A, B, C, D, right? And in Hindi we write ka, kha, ga,
uh,
right? In Punjabi we
yes,
have sa, ha, ha. In
Sassa.
German we also write like English, but sounds are different. Okay, we write like English, but sounds are different. For example, it's not a very difficult language. You'll learn it soon. See, if I write A, alphabet A, then the sound is A. If I write B, then the sound is B. Please write this in your notebook. Write the sounds. For C, it is C, say. For D, D, E. For E, sound is A. For E, sound is A. For F, it is F. For G, G. For H, we write Ha. I is E. E, this is Chota E, Hindi. Okay.
hmm.
J is yacht. J is pronounced as ya. Ya. Y. Ya in German language. And for example, if I am writing this word here, Julie, you call this word Julie, right?
Yes.
But in
Yes,
German language, it is Julie.
Julie.
Julie. Okay. And K is ka.
What you write in J?
Ya. Yacht.
Hmm,
It's
What?
ya. Ya. Yeah, I have told you na that Julie is Yuli in German.
Hmm.
And K is Ka. Then we write L M N O P L M N as it is, N as it is, O as it is, and for P we write pay. For Q it is ku. C double O. R is R. S is as. I'm writing in Hindi as. S is
Edge.
as.
Like I is E.
Sorry.
Like, when I is
I
E,
is
sound E.
small e. Small
E.
e. Yeah. In Hindi, chota e, badi e we have, right? It's choti e. E.
Like it's Julie, so we'll say Yuli.
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 Yes, it's Yuli. And
Okay.
T is te, written. U is u, double O H. V is pau. V has a sound of f in German language.
In Q, what
If
you
I write
write
a word,
in Q?
sorry,
It's
Q.
Q.
In Q.
ku, ku.
Q.
See, if I write this word, how do you pronounce this word?
Wall. Ma'am, what is the word?
This is
Volcarism.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Hmm?
It's
Volkswagen.
not
Fox.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
It's Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
It's a
Yes, it's
German brand.
Volkswagen.
Yes, it's Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
So V is not va, it's fa, Volkswagen, right?
Because it's German.
Yes, because it is German.
German word. Oh, I get to know now that it's a German.
Yes, it is. And W is they, X.
Because before I used to say Volkswagen, but I don't know like
Why
why
do
do
we
we say
call
Volkswagen?
Volkswagen when we have V here, right?
Hmm.
Now your
Yes.
doubts are clear.
In S, ma'am, what you write in S?
It's as the sound of the.
Hmm.
X.
Like what you write is can we write in Punjabi?
Why do you want to write in Punjabi when you know Hindi?
I don't like. I can't write Hindi much well.
Okay, you can write in Punjabi if you're comfortable more in Punjabi then.
Yes.
Why?
Like, can we say J as ya or ya?
J is ya only. It's Yuli.
Okay.
Okay. And Z is said. SED, said. If we have I and E written together, first I and then E, then it is pronounced as E, badi E.
Okay.
And if we have E first and then I, then it is pronounced as I. Sound is I. Okay. If we have SCH, okay, now you tell me first. How do we write sh? If I want to write sh in English, then how will I write?
Sure.
Message.
SH, but here in German we write SCH. So SCH means sh.
Sure.
In English we write SH. In Hindi it is sh. And in German we have SCH. Okay. TSCH. If we write T before SCH, then it becomes ch. And how do we write ch in English? It is CH.
Yes.
Sure.
Ch.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
If we have A first and then U, then it is ow.
You.
Ow.
Oh.
Oo. And if we have E first and then U, then it is oi. Then it is
Oi.
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 Lavansh, what is this? EU?
Oi.
Oi. AU is
Oh.
I.
ow. AU is ow.
Ow.
EU is oi. TSCH is cha.
Sure.
SCH is shaw.
Sure.
I. IE is E.
E.
And if we have one more letter, beta. Beta, we know alpha, beta, gamma. Somewhere you will see double S and beta. It is sa. And we call it acid. Sa. ST. If first we have S and then we T, then we write st. St. First we have S and then P, we write it sp.
ST is
Sp.
stir.
St. Sp. There are certain letters where you will find A and double dash above A. O and double dash above O. U and double dash above U. You will find the words like letters like this. This double dash is called umlaut. We call it
Umlaut.
umlaut. And if this umlaut is on A, then it gives the sound of A. If this umlaut is on O, then it gives the sound which is a combination of O and A. O. If this umlaut is on U, then it gives a sound which is a combination of sound U and A. U. Let's try to read few words now. For example, if we have the word, uh, let's write a word. Yes, how are we going to pronounce this word?
Sure. Sure.
This is R and Z.
Sure way. Sure way.
This is Shwas. Sound of A
Shwas.
is A.
Okay.
And
S E
SCH is SH. Sure. Shwas.
Sha,
Shwas.
sha, Shwas,
Shwas.
Shwas,
yes.
KOPF. Shwaskov. Have
Shwas,
have you ever heard this name before?
Hmm?
Have
What?
you heard this name, Schwarzkopf? Are you familiar with this word? This is a brand, Schwarzkopf.
Yeah.
I think it's a brand in German.
Drink. Is it a
I
drink?
think it's brand in Germany.
Hmm.
Is it a drink?
Schwarzkopf is a brand, and you might have seen the hair color of this brand.
Oh, like
Hair product.
the
Hmm? You are familiar with this word as well.
yes,
Kindergarten.
yes.
It's kindergarten.
Hmm.
Again, the same word.
Volkswagen.
Hmm. Okay, now I'm going to write one more. Pronounce it.
Dutch. Now it's Dutch.
It's Dutch when it is written like Dutch.
Yes.
But now in German,
It's
Ma'am, my brother lives in Germany,
okay.
Netherlands.
Mm-hmm.
He's my older brother.
Is your cousin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, how will you pronounce this word in German? We have
Dutch.
EU is oi,
Dutch. Dutch.
oi,
No, Dutch.
and this TSCH.
Is Cho.
Ch.
Joe.
CH.
So it's Deutsch.
Deutsch. Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
EU is oi, TSCH is ch. So this is Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Easy?
Yes.
I have a friend, Julius. He is from Germany.
Okay.
But stay.
CH is ch. We have not, I think, written in the sound. Right? You can write this also.
CHS.
For example, if I want to read this, so I will read book. Book.
Hmm?
BUCH is book. Book.
Book.
And
It's
this is
book step.
Escape.
ST is st.
Stop.
Sound
Book
of it
stab.
is a.
Ah.
And sound of E is a. Now join the sounds.
Stay.
Sta, be.
Bookstabe.
Buchstabe.
Stabe.
Yes.
Stabe.
Buchstabe.
Stabe.
Okay, now listen to me very carefully. In German language, we have genders. As in Hindi, we say that गाड़ी चल रही है, रात हो गई है, दिन हो गया है. So if we say दिन हो गया है, so we consider दिन as masculine, no? Right? And if we say गाड़ी चल रही है, ट्रेन आ गई है, then train is feminine. रात हो गई है, तो रात is again feminine. We do not say रात हो गया है. Do we say like this? रात हो गया है?
No.
No, we say रात हो गई है. So we are particular,
like
we are very particular about this, that कहाँ पे बोलना है, हो गया है, और कहाँ पे बोलना है, right?
yes.
है ना ऐसे? तो German language में भी we have 3 different genders. ठीक है? We have 3 genders in German language. For masculine, we write D-E-R, there. This is pronounced as there. R has a sound of a here.
The
ठीक है? If R comes at the end, then it is pronounced as a. If it comes in the middle, then it is R.
Like then means the.
Sorry?
Then means in der means
No, we cannot compare this with Hindi. But I have discussed here Hindi just because to tell you that as in Hindi we have masculine and feminine things. We know that where to say चल रही है, where to say चल रहा है, या where to say हो गया है, हो गई है. So in German language we also consider genders in speaking. So if there is anything which is masculine, then we use this article, we use this, there. Okay?
yes.
And for feminine, D is used, D-I-E. And for neutral, see, neutral is pronounced, how will you pronounce neutral in German? I'm writing neutral here, and you're supposed to pronounce it in German language. How are you going to pronounce it?
EU is I.
Oi, oi.
Oi. Neutral. Neutral.
I'm Neutral.
Neuteral.
Neutral.
Neuteral.
Neutral.
Neuteral.
Neutral.
Neuteral. So there are 3 genders, masculine, feminine, and neuteral. So how many genders are there in German? 3. Can you
3.
name them? Can you name them?
Der,
Masculine,
der,
Feminine and
feminine,
neutral.
and neuteral.
Neutral.
So for
na-
masculine we write there. For feminine we write
die.
the.
Die.
It's not die, it's the.
D.
D.
Yes, the IE is E. D.
And for neutral we write das.
Thus,
So they are the, das. Okay? They are
Yes.
the, das. And if you are saying plural words, if you are speaking about plural words, for example, if I say गाड़ियां, किताबें, then for all, whether it is masculine, feminine, or neutral, whether this is for masculine, this is feminine, and this is neutral, right? Neutral in German. So कुछ भी होगा अगर plural है, for plural we use the only. This is for singular words and this is for plural word. Okay. For example, let's take this word only, Buchstabe. So we can write, or we write der Buchstabe. Der Buchstabe. And the meaning is
What
letter.
bookstabe?
Meaning is
What
letter.
does bookstabe? Letter.
And Buchstabe means letter. And if I want to write plural of this word, then Buchstabe becomes Buchstaben.
Bookstaben. Bookstaben.
Buchstaben is letters, and there will be replaced by the. Because for plural we use this article the. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Buchstabieren. Buchsta, S-T-A, Bieren, B, E is I-E, E is I-E, and R-E-N. Buchstabieren means to spell. Okay, so there Buchstabe is letter, the Buchstaben is letters, and Buchstabieren means to spell. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
You can write this word also.
To spell. Buchstabieren.
Buchstabieren. Let's write the word R now. See, I'm writing a word starting with R. It starts with R. This is ROT. How will you pronounce this word?
ROT.
ROT is, it is pronounced
Wrote.
rote.
Wrote.
And what is the meaning?
Wrote.
Rote means red.
Yes.
Okay, but if R comes at the end of a word, if R comes at the end, then please write this. If R comes at the end of a word, then it is pronounced as A. It is pronounced as A. For example, if I write the word SEHR, how will you pronounce it?
SEHR. Sure.
It's Zeer. Zeer.
There.
Zeer means a lot. If R comes at the end, then it is pronounced as A. Okay?
Yes.
I'm writing another word. How will you pronounce this word?
What is it? MEHR.
Yes.
Um,
How will you pronounce this word? It's May.
Mayor.
M is May. May.
Mayor.
So we see that H is silent, no?
Mayor.
Maya. Maya means more. See, now we have learned about H also. Something about H.
Yes.
If H comes in the beginning, if H comes in the beginning, then it is pronounced as her. If H comes in the beginning, then it is pronounced as her. But if it is in the middle, then it is after vowels. Like you can see EH or AH, then it is silent. Okay. For example, if we have the word MAHLEN, then how are you going to pronounce it? Halen means to grind.
Hmm.
How will you pronounce this word?
Uh, for.
AU is, how do we pronounce?
Oh.
If AU are these two are written together, then it is pronounced as
Oh.
owl.
Oh.
It's foul.
Oh.
Foul means lazy. Okay, I'm writing one more word. See, if this beta is written, then beta means double S. So
SZ.
you need to apply stress on this. So this is EI is I,
I.
EI is I, beta is double S. So fly,
Fly. Fly sick.
flyfish.
Fly fish.
Flyfish means hard working. I'm writing another word. Pronounce this word. This is VIE, and in German, this is V.
Why? Wow.
IE is
I
IE is badi E,
I oh
Ma'am,
yes.
E. I.
and V
I.
is
Yeah.
Fa.
Wow.
So this is
Five.
Fa and
Five.
badi E. Fa
Five.
and badi E. Fee.
Foul.
Fee.
Wow.
IE is
Okay.
badi
Fee.
E, na? And this is for fee. Fee means much. Now please pronounce this word. We have SCH,
Sure.
then
Surely.
U,
Surely.
Sure.
and U,
Show.
Shu,
Surely.
Sure.
Shu,
Sure.
and and A.
Sure.
Means
Sure.
school.
Surely. Surely.
Sure. Written, ma'am.
Okay, next one more word. Kind. How are you going to pronounce it? I is E.
Kind.
Kind. Kind means child.
Kind. Kind. Or kind.
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 Kindergarten we say, right? Kind. Kind means child.
Can you speak other languages like
I can
expect German, Hindi,
Punjabi,
Punjabi,
I can
English,
Punjabi, Hindi. I can speak in Punjabi, Hindi, English.
like other
No,
Chinese,
no other
French?
language. No, 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 no. How will you pronounce
You
this
can
word?
speak four languages.
Sorry. I can
You
speak
can speak four
Punjabi, English, Punjabi, Hindi, and German.
languages.
And Sanskrit, I understand how to write and read. Speaking, I might face problem because I have learned Sanskrit from 6th to 10th. For 4 years, I have learned it. So I know Tvam, Aham, Kutra, Atra, everything. So, okay, Ashwa, I know everything,
In
but
Punjab, there was no Sanskrit. No
sorry,
Sanskrit.
there is no
In
Sanskrit.
Punjab, there
Okay.
yes, there's
Ma'am, I can
Punjabi.
speak only three languages: Hindi, Punjabi, English.
Okay. Hindi, Punjabi, English. Now you will learn German also. One more language will be added.
I like learning languages.
Even I like learning languages. That's why I had learned this
I
language.
ask from different friends that how do you say that? How do you say that word in
That's great.
like in your language?
Okay, now you tell me how am I going to pronounce this word? This is M A double
It's
N.
M
M A
M
double
A double N.
double N. Can I
Double N.
again?
Man.
Man,
Man is right.
man,
MANN. So man,
man,
man. It's not
Man.
man, it's
man,
man. Man.
man.
Man means man. One more word. How will
Frau.
you pronounce it?
Frau,
Frau means woman.
Frau.
Pharaoh,
Woman.
Pharaoh,
Au. AU is au.
Frau.
Frau.
Pharaoh,
Yes. Frau, nahi, it's Frau.
Pharaoh.
Frau is woman. Okay. Let's write one more word. How will you pronounce this?
Zimmer, Zimmer,
Simmer.
said,
Simmer.
Simmer.
Put stress on M because we
Simmer.
have double M and R is silent.
Simmer.
Simmer. Not
Simmer.
the, it's sir. Simmer. Simmer means room.
Simmer. Okay.
Yes. Can you teach us like my name is Pritish
Yes.
in German?
Mein Name ist Pritish. Ich bin Pritish. Ich heiße Pritish. The three ways. I'll tell you how he'll write it. Okay, don't worry.
Like
Ist heilig
I
Lavan.
Okay. Let's do this. We'll do this. Let's understand few more words and then we will do. We'll try to make short sentences. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to write one more word. SCHON.
Corn.
Sean. Means
Sean.
already.
Sean
Yes.
Sean.
Already.
already.
One more word. How will you pronounce it?
Build.
Build.
Means
Build.
picture.
Build day. Ma'am, it's build day.
Not building, it's picture. Build means
Build.
picture.
Picture.
How will you pronounce this word?
Ma'am, it's like
Uh,
A
it's the
and beta
last
is
one.
written, beta is double S.
Space.
Spaß. Put stress on S. Spaß.
Spaß.
Spaß means enjoyment.
It's enjoyment.
Yes. Now pronounce this word.
Can you like teach me
Dish.
like my name
Then-
Pritish in
Okay,
German?
I'll just come to that. First,
Dish.
pronounce this word. Tisch. Tisch means table. First,
Yes,
write these,
table.
and then now we will learn how to create or make short sentences. I'll teach you few more, two or more sentences today. Okay?
Can you teach us like our name
Yeah.
Pritish in German
Have you written this?
and Lavanch in German?
Yeah. Fine. First, write this. Okay, now I'm writing here. Ish means I. Ish bin means I am. Okay, if I write Ish bin Pritish, then it becomes I am
British.
British.
Ich bin British.
Okay, Lavansh will say Ich bin Lavansh. I am Lavansh. Okay, and there is one more way of writing it. Mine. How will you pronounce this? We have EI. EI is I. Mine.
Man.
Mine. MEIN. I-N. Mine.
My name is
No, it's not name in German. How do we pronounce it?
Ben.
No. This word, name. How are you going to pronounce in German? Is a. E-A. We have na, then a, then ma, and then a.
Name.
Name. A bada.
Name.
Name.
Okay. So my name.
Tomorrow I will not go
Name
shule.
is, sorry. Did you say?
Tomorrow I will not go shule.
My name is Lavansh. Okay. So
My name is.
my name is Lavansh. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And there is one more. Du bist means you are.
How will we like spell British in German?
Names are spelled in their own way as they are. We do not change the pronunciation for names. Okay? They remain as it is. Du bist is you are. See, as we have in English we do not have. In English for tu, tum and aap we use you. Whether it is
Hmm.
tu or tum or aap, right? We write you. But in German we have different words for them. Okay? For tu it is du. And
Yes.
if you are giving respect to someone, suppose there is someone who is elder, then you do not use tu, right? You say aap.
It is up.
Then it becomes aap. Then aap is z and tum is ear.
Ear.
So we have different ways of saying this. As we have
We
it
have at
the same way we have in German.
silent.
Yeah, R is silent because R is at the end, so it is silent, and therefore it is ear. And H is also silent because H is after I, and it is in the middle of a word. So both H is silent and R is R sound of R is a. Sound of R is a and H is silent. So it's ear. So you are. Du bist, you are. Now you can make a sentence. You have read about Fleißig and faul. So I'm going to write one sentence. Okay. And you are supposed to translate it. You please translate it. At least try once. Now tell me the translation.
No, I know the
I
second one.
am.
You are lazy.
I
You are lazy.
am.
Ich bin fleißig, du bist faul.
Fleißig mean hardworking.
Yes, it is hardworking. Ich means I.
I am hardworking, but I am
I am.
lazy.
I am hardworking,
We can put but in it.
but aber. Now you have but.
Ab, aber.
Aber.
Ich
But
bin
ich bin fleißig,
fleißig.
aber du bist faul.
Lazy. Du bist faul.
Du means you, bist is are, and foul means
I am
lazy.
You are lazy.
Okay?
Yes.
I am hardworking, but you are lazy. Or we can use und. If it is und, then it means or
लेकिन और
and. Okay?
hmm.
If you're writing aber, then it is but. If you're writing und, then it is and. Und means and.
And
Easy? Now
yes.
you have
Yes.
learned to create sentence also in the first class itself. So, how is it?
Mine mine name
Name.
ist
Name.
mein Name Lavanch.
Ist. See,
Ist bin
ist means
ist
is
is
is. So my
mein
name
Name
is Lavanch.
mein Name ist Lavanch. Ich bin fleißig.
And du bist faul. You can tell your German friend this thing. He will like it. You
But
can
you
try to say them, but you can tell him that du bist faul.
okay.
Okay.
Ich bin fleißig, aber du bist faul.
Now, less than 1 minute left. Meeting will end soon. So we need to end our class here. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you have no class. So I'll see you on Monday now. And on Monday, we'll have our either numeracy or physics, science. So we can start with numeracy first because you have your exam there. So I want to discuss few more questions of numeracy with you guys. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And you give me or send me your syllabus of science as well. We can